What's up everyone, welcome back to another mixing video. It's actually been forever since I even uploaded a video on this channel. I was really just like uninspired and lazy for like a year honestly. But I'm gonna be showcasing the projects files for two of my singles, my newest song Love It and one of my other songs I Could Never Switch. All the links will be in the description and let's get into the video. Alright, now we're in the Love It FLP and I'm gonna show you what it sounds like with and without the presets and stuff. I'm gonna play it with no preset first.
I don't really do that last year. I'ma need another substance. Shoot shit like I'm Andre Drummond. Yeah. Rolling up wood, taking that shit to the face. Calling me, but you was copy and paste. I got that pulling this tight to my waist. How do you spin? I reckon these frames. Old friends keep saying I change. Fuck that, I just cut out the face. Hold on, go up and it's coming my way.
Yeah, so that's basically what the raw vocals sound like. It sounds like, you know, some trash shit. But like you can listen that I literally just spam ad-libs and shit like the whole time.
Yeah.
Yikes, I'm just gonna show what it sounds like with the preset on.
I'ma keep on running, and my biggest from my hundreds. Your friends that I keep on fronting. I take drugs because I love it. Put that bitch off, I ain't cuffing. I don't really do that last shit. I'ma need another substance. Shoot shit like I'm Andre Drummond. Yeah, rolling up wood, taking that shit to the face. Calling me, but you was copy and paste. I got that pulling this tight to my waist. 30 years finna wrecking these frames. Old friends keep saying I chase. Fuck that, I just cut out the face. Hold on, go up and it's coming my way.
And here's a little bit also with no beat with the preset on.
Calling me, but you was copy and paste. I got that pulling this tight to my waist. 30 years finna wrecking these frames. Old friends keep saying I check. Fuck that, I just cut out the face. Hold on, go up and it's coming my way.
So in this FLP, it has the main, the route, the bus. It has a whole bunch of ad-libs, the backing, and this is all coming inside of the FLP. So you can get the FLP or you could get the ambient preset pack. There's gonna be a few extra ad-lib presets that are in the FLP that aren't in the preset pack, but everything else is included. That basically sums it up for my like more ambient sound. Now we're gonna get into the I Can Never Switch FLP. Alright, so now I'm gonna play I Can Never Switch.
That's a minute now. She said that I stand out, so I brought some bands out. Yeah, so my chance now. Bitch, I'm number one 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 now.
Yeah, so it's just some casual ass digicore shit. And then I'm gonna take the preset off and it's gonna be out of key and like horrible.
She said that I stand out, so I brought some bands out. Yeah, but you stand out. Bang, that's a man now. She said that I stand out, so I brought some bands out. Yeah, so my chance now. Bitch, I'm number one now. Bitch, I'm number one now.
And this is the exact reason why I need a preset. But if you're trying to make like ambient or digicore or anything like me, then like these are definitely the presets for you. Both songs were recorded on the Rode NT1A and are all stock plugins. All links will be in the description, including my Instagram if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Unlimited money, no tell. She wanna tell me she love me. I said, bitch, oh well. Like a kiss, I tell. Buy my tears with half a mil. I got lean, I cracked the cell. Shout out somebody in that field. And I'm like, yeah, that's slam. You and that feed, that's gon' cost you a bed. Hey, face, I'll be counting up bands. Bro, push, tryna get on the trend. Put to a 10 in the best. Fuck that bitch and she bringing her friends. Do what I want, you do what you can. Hey, now listen, I'm hopping the fence.